A scintillating morning to one and all present here. I, Ashika Mittal, teacher of Senior KGD,
And I, Jaya Kataria, teacher of Junior KGF,
along with my teacher fraternity, would like to welcome you all to a special morning that is going to be filled with limitless learning. We appreciate the presence of luminaries present here. We have our director principal, Ms. Jayashi Choraria, our pre-primary coordinator, Ms. Ankita Mulia, our assistant coordinator, Ms. Shreya Narang, treasured set of teachers, our endearing students, and of course, all the creative heads of our toddlers, the parents. Certain mainstream instructions before we move ahead. Washrooms and drinking water are towards the left side of the dome, and that is towards the right side of your side. For such a thoughtful event, photographs are must, right? So keep your heels on rest as we are professional photographer and cinematographer to shoot the ultimate moments of your ward. And what's better than having our little ones sharing this stage with us? Let's welcome our budding stars, Miss Hirva and Miss Dheer, who will co-host this event with us.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hirva Desai from Senior KGD. We are so happy to have you here.
And my name is Dheer Dhaiwal from Senior KGF. We hope you enjoy what we have prepared for you today.
To start this special occasion, we would like to invoke blessing with the lighting of the lamp.
We are honored to invite our esteemed director, principal, and our respected director of operations, and our wonderful pre-primary coordinator
Please-
to join us for the ceremonial lamp lighting.
Please come forward and grace the moment with your presence.
Let's illuminate this day with knowledge, positivity, and joy.
सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमला लोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षे विद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तु ते।
Dear all, to start this, as we celebrate this special day, it's an honor to have someone whose guidance and visions lead every day.
With great respect, we would like to call our esteemed director, principal, Ms. Jayashi Choraria, to share her inspiring words with us.
Ma'am, stage is all yours.
Thank you, Dheer and Hirva. It's so nice to see you here. Thank you, parents, for coming here and sharing the educational journey of your children with us. We are so overwhelmed to see you in numbers, and a very, very good morning to all of you. A very good morning to all of you. Thank you. This particular day brings so much joy and happiness to all of us here, you as parents, of course, and we as school educational fraternity, when we see our young ones standing in front of so many children together and they are full of confidence. That's the achievement we want. The children out there standing, just waiting to show their talent to all of you, you must be taking pride in one of your child or two of your children, but we take pride in all of them. And that is just because the coordinator Ankita, the associate coordinator Shreya, and the team of teachers of pre-primary section. So big kudos to all of them. And without you, it wouldn't have been possible. So big clap for yourself. This particular parade has a meaning. We all know how the languages evolved, but how the vocabulary evolves when we use them continuously. And we want our children to be strong enough right from this age so that they can communicate very beautifully and with lot of sophistication and with lot of energy, and I would say a premium language where they know that this particular language is a global language. We cannot go away from it. But at the same time, as you see, we have the aim of making our children stick to the roots of Indian culture. Nothing great than that. I think it is one of the richest culture of the world. So we aim at giving them the roots of Indian culture, but wings to explore the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a wonderful speech. Thank you, ma'am, for such a nice, encouraging words. Hey all, do you know what makes our school super cool?
It's that even the young children can be a part of the band. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, and today our very own Goenkan band is here to play some awesome tunes just for you. Let's
clap our hands and cheer loudly for the performance. That would be super fun.
Welcome our Goenkan bands.
performing the band, we had amazing young Goenkans, Dheer Gunecha from Junior KG A, Hayan Patel from Junior KG A, Kavish Jariwala from Junior KG B, Kritika Jana from Junior KG D, Harshita Gupta from Junior KG E, Diana Juneja from Junior KG E, Ananya Shwetri from Junior KG F, Mishka Batlawala from Junior KG F, Atri Sonani from Junior KG G, Vihan Bakshi from Junior KG G, Kanav Jariwala from Junior KG D, Ayansh Dalwadi from Senior KG A, Naisha Baid from Senior KG A, Abhyan Sharma from Senior KG A, Krisha Mittal Senior KG A, Tavish Shetya Senior KG B, Iana Jain Senior KG B, Kavish Agarwal Senior KG C, Divisha Athavia Senior KG C, Jaksh Gandhi Senior KG D, Devam Sutaria Senior KG D, Yash Shah Senior KG D, Arav Bag Senior KG D, Samaira Nanolia Senior KG E, Kavish Kochar Senior KG E, Vidya Sham Sukha Senior KG E, Suhansh Harnesha Senior KG E, Riyanshi Shah Senior KG F, Neer Bhavani Senior KG F, and Veer Mehta from Senior KG F. Let's give them a big round of applause for their wonderful performance. Can I hear it a little louder? That was such a wonderful performance by our young Goenkans. Can I hear it a little louder for them? Now, I may request our esteemed Director Principal Ma'am to please come forward and do the honors by opening the book. And now it's time to step into the world of words and let your vocabulary take flight into the grand parade. Leading the parade, we have Nursery A guided by their teacher Miss Rashi Choksi, who is depicting an idiom. Isn't that exciting? We have Ahan Jawar with letter L, Arya Nahar with letter I, Avyukt Goyal with letter U, Danish Khoja with letter W, Dwayne Jain with letter Y, Harshit Tibra with letter V, Hayan Bhanawala with letter X, Mohammad Ibrahim Memon with letter Z, Lavishka Chandalia with letter C, Lavit Chandalia with letter O, Mukund Rathi with letter D, Prasha Gandhi with letter T, Priya Rathod with letter I, Ranch Sangvi with letter U, Riyan Maisuria with letter W, Sarang Kedia with letter Y, Sia Jawar with letter V, Vamika Chaudhary with letter X, and Viran Shah with letter Z. Can we hear it a little louder for our young Goenkans? Dear children, can we all wave to our parents? Let us all wave and show their our enthusiasm. as an owl. We have Arush Garg with letter L, Advait Agarwal with letter A, Anika Trivedi with letter I, Ansh Tatia with letter U, Arsh Malek with letter W, Avan Shah with letter Y, Avira Kothari with letter V, Ayan Shah with letter X, Dev Rathi with letter Z, Diansh Dave with letter C, Jaivik Agarwal with letter O, Jeet Marwania with letter T, Krishiv Tamakuwala with letter Q, Prisha Jain with letter I, Rihanna Parmar with letter U, Saesha Khanna with letter W, Thea Khurana with letter Y, Vanshika Tatia with letter V. Are you all excited, Nursery B? Let's come forward. Let's wave at our parents. Let's say them how enthusiastic you are. Come on. Dear parents, can we hear it a little louder for them? Can we cheer them up? How beautiful they all are looking. Thank you so much, parents, for dressing them up and putting the efforts. Yes, Nursery B, it's time to wave to our parents and go back with our teacher. Thank you so much for your wonderful performance. Next up we have our wonderful Goenkans from class Nursery C, led by Miss Shreya Narang with the words ecstatic and Miss Bhagwati Agarwal with the word ladybug. Along with them we have Advait Sabu with letter L, Anaya Churiwal with letter T, Ayan Singh with letter I, Diansh Vasoya with letter U, Dhruvansh Mathania with letter W, Diara Madrasi with letter Y. I request all the parents to please step little bit back so that our children, all the parents can see our children. Dear parents, Ivan Mahipal with letter X, Jaival Sohal with letter Z, Jayditya Govalia with letter K, Kriship Patel with letter C, Nihan Katargamwala with letter O, Nihan Agarwal with letter A, Nivan Agarwal with letter D, Nivay Bhaisdadia with letter Q, Prahisha with letter L, Rudransh Agarwal with letter T, Sana Jawar with letter I, Vanshika Malu with letter Y. You all are looking so beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you, parents, for dressing them up wonderfully. Can we all say namaste? Can we all wave to our mama, papa? Can we all say them thank you? Yes, Nursery C, it's time to follow our ma'am. Thank you so much, Nursery C. That was wonderful performance. Next up we have Nursery D, led by Miss Palak Bajaj depicting the word queen, along with Miss Janki Patel depicting the idiom partners in crime. With them we have Arab Patel with letter L, Aruhi Shah with letter T, Dhanvi Shevani with letter I, Divyansh Garg with letter U, Granth Agarwal with letter W, Kyana Agarwal with letter Y, Heyansh Virmani with letter V, Kian Shah with letter Z, Mahit Savalia with letter C, Naisha Jardosh with letter A, Nia Agarwal with letter D, Prithvi Sach with letter L, Priyank Saraf with letter T, Samrit Botra with letter I, Urvish Gupta with letter W, Vanya Dhama with letter Y, Vida Soni with letter V, and Ayansh Jain with letter X. Can we all wave at our mama papa? Can we all show them our biggest smile? Let us all wave. Come on. You all are looking wonderful. Let us all wave and say bye bye, Mama Papa. It's time to go. Namaste. Now let us all wave and follow our ma'am, Miss Palak Bajaj. Thank you so much, Nasiridi, for such a wonderful dress up.
How beautiful they have presented, showcased their creativity. Isn't it, parents? I can't hear yes or no. Isn't it, parents? So let's give them a big round of applause. Now, it's time for our young Goenkins from Senior KG to embrace the spirit with their vocabularies.
Leading the parade we have from Senior KG A, Miss Chaitali Majitya and Miss Alifia Bandukwala depicting the fun facts of English. Can we hear it a little louder for them, parents? Can you give me a little louder for them? Yes.
Along with Miss Chaitali Majitya ma'am, we have Abhiyan Sharma as mystical, Alayna Wala as emoticons, Ayansh Dalwadi as inventions, Dee Dhariwal triumph, Kiansh Bansal ecstatic, Kaira Narnolia bibliophile, Manvir Saini cumulus, Naira Beth blueprint, Shaurya Tibra dictionary, and Vani Murarka as canvas. Let's hear it for them, parents. Can we all do the Namaste Senior KGA? Next up we have Bubbly Senior KGB headed by Miss Neha Bajaj as Snow Rule along with Ariha Mehta as ATM.
hello, check, hello, check, hello, hello. Check one.
Hello, hello, hello.
We have Chanda Yadav, digraphs, Arul Jain, currency, Anaya Joshi, scholar, Ayansh Jain, robot, Dhairya Rathi, radiant, Divisha Thavya, illuminate, Ivana Malik, wardrobe, Izan Chamaria, hatch, Kavish Agarwal, storm, Naira Domaria, ocean, Prahi Gandhi, blossom, Shaurya Shiotia, luscious, Kenny Chandar, fragile, De Agarwal, brilliant, Riyanshi Upmanyu, monument, led by Chanda Yadav and Mansi Dilkhush. A big kudos to all these children.
Next up, we have Dashing Senior KGD, headed by Miss Bhumika Khatri, SIGH Rule. Along with them, we have Arav Ved as Photobomb, Arya Ved as Cosmetics, Chen Gupta Jovial, Devam Sutaria as Duplicate, Hirva Desai as Delectable, Jaksh Gandhi as Mythological, Jiansh Khetan as Illusion, Mahir Laiker as Injured, Pavni Juneja Arrow, Paridhi Patel as Celebration, Shaurya Shetty as Waterproof, Shivli Ghosh as Flamboyant, Yash Shah as Dehydrated, Yug Yadav as Hatch, Yuvani Oswal as Patriotic, and Miss Ashika Mittal as Magic E. Can we have a round of applause for our dashing senior KGD, everyone? Next up, we have Join Me in Applauding our elegant senior KGE, led by Miss Shefali Arora, representing Bossy R. Anvi Mehta is Flexible, Anara Agrawal as Weather, Ditya Shamsukha as Savory, Kavish Kochar as Underground, Naira Bhavani as Injured, Radhya Tulsian as Techno Savvy, Ryansh Jain as Journey, Rudri Agrawal as Ponder, Saifuddin Bastawala is Blazing, Samaira Narnolia is Pitcher, Shivansh Pathak Crest, Srihit Agrawal is Satellite, Suvansh Harnesha is Shred, Yuvraj Gajar as Lightning, and with them we have Miss Vinita Maisuria as CK Rule. A big hand for senior KGE. No lazy hands allowed here, parents. Next up, we have our fun-loving senior KGF, headed by Miss Julie Thevar, depicting the floss rule. Along with them, we have Aditya Savalia. As Communicate, Arham Choksi as Unearth, Delvin Nibhani as Cavity, Harman Savsani as Second Hand, Harshiv Kheni as Checkered, Miraya Agrawal as Bookworm, Neev Bhavani as Disappear, Pranika Tulsiani as Sidekick, Riva Varecha Web, Rivan Jain as Flabgasted, Riyanshi Shah as Zigzag, Ruhi Agrawal as Confetti, Shivam Jariwala as Proboscis, Veer Mehta Palm, Veera Patel Knuckleball, Riha Kanoria as Blizzard, and Yug Oswal as Spears. Along with them, we have Miss Akansha Daga as Partners in Crime. Can we have a big hand for Senior KTF, everyone? our fun-loving senior KGF. What an incredible display of creativity, effort, and learning we have witnessed today from all the classes.
Dear parents, can we give a huge round of applause to all the classes for their hard work and enthusiasm? Dear children, you all did an outstanding job. Can you clap for yourself also? Thank you, parents. Since we have humongous vocabularies around us, let us give few a chance to depict themselves. First up, we have Prasha Gandhi depicting the letter T from nursery A.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prash Andy. I'm from nursery A. I represent letter T for tortoise and tiger. Thank you.
Next up, we have Priya Ratha with letter I from nursery A.
Maybe take the mic and little bit closer and speak louder. I'll hold the mic.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Priya Ratha from class nursery A. Today I presenting letter I. I for ice cream. I for I eat. Insect. Thank you.
Next up, we have Vamika Chaudhary from class nursery A depicting the letter X.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vamika Chaudhary from nursery A. Today I am going to represent letter X. X nursery, xylophone, box. Thank you.
Wow, that was wonderful performance from all the nursery A children. Dear children, can I request you all to please maintain little bit discipline so that we can hear our friends' performance? Our pre-primary children? Yes, thank you so much. Next up we have Miss Anika Trivedi depicting the letter I from nursery B.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anika Trivedi from nursery B. Today I am going to represent I letter. I for insect. I for late ice cream. I for igloo. Thank you.
Thank you, Anika. Next up we have Diyansh Dave depicting the letter C from nursery B.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Diyansh Dave from nursery B. My letter is C. Hello, everyone. My name is Diyansh Dave from nursery B. My letter is C. C for dog. C for cat. C for caterpillar. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Diyansh. That was wonderful. Next up we have Thea Kurana from class senior nursery B depicting the letter Y.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. थोड़ा सा बोलो बेटा. Good morning. मम्मा वीडियो बेटा. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Oh, you can do it. Come on. Good morning, everyone.
Come on, Thea, you can do it.
Good morning, everyone. Come on, Tia. One time. One time. Come on. Good morning, everyone.
बाबू स्पीक जोर से बोलना है ना, मम्मा देख रहे हैं, मम्मा वीडियो निकालेंगे। चलो चलो फटाफट से स्माइल करके यस गुड मॉर्निंग।
Yes, Tia, we can try. Come on.
चलो साथ में बोलेंगे चलो। आफ्टर
Okay, let us give her some time. She will prepare and come back. Thank you, Thea. Next up we have Nevai Bhains Dadiya depicting the letter Q from class nursery C.
स्टार्ट।
I am learning.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन।
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nivai Pestalia from nursery C. We learning letter Q. Read and quiet. Start with Q. Thank you.
That was wonderful, Nevai. Thank you so much. Next up we have Prahisha from nursery C depicting the letter L.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Praisha.
Thank you so much, Jayashree ma'am.
Nursery C. I am look L. Lollipop. Lollipop and ladybug starts with L. Thank you.
One more time. We'll start again louder, okay? Louder.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Praisha of nursery C. Ladybug and lollipop starts with L. Thank you.
Thank you, Prahi. Next up we have Rudransh Agarwal from nursery C depicting the letter T.
Can we change the mic?
This is also not right. Hold it little bit higher.
Try this. Louder.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rudran Chagawal from nursery C.
Look ahead and say to Ankita ma'am. My
Look, I am letter T.
show it to ma'am. Show it to mama. Show it to mama. Tomato.
T the tomato. T the tiger. Thank you.
Thank you, Rudransh. Next up we have Dhanvi Shivani from class nursery D depicting the letter I.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhanvi Shivani from nursery D. Today I am going to represent letter I. I for igloo and injection. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhanvi Shivani from nursery D. Today I am represent letter I. I.E. igloo and I.E. insects. I.E. iguana. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanvi. That was amazing. Next up we have Granth Agarwal from class nursery D depicting the letter W.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Grant Muladka from class nursery D. Today I am represent letter W. Wow, wow, watermelon. Wow, wow, watch. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Grant. That was amazing. Next up we have Vida Soni from class nursery D depicting the letter V.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Veda Tony from nursery D. Today I am going to
Represent the word.
present the word letter V. Where vegetable. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vida. That was wonderful. Next up we have Miss Anaya from Nursery C.
Hold it from here, darling. From here. I'll hold the mic. No problem. Okay. This. Leave this and hold it like this. Now you speak.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anaya Chudiwal from Nursery C. Today I'm speaking I like traffic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anaya. Next up we have Master Ayansh Dalwadi from Senior KGE depicting the word invention. Can we hear a huge round of applause for our children? Let us cheer them up.
Good morning,
Look there at everyone and speak, okay?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayansh Dalwadi from Senior KGA. My vocabulary word is invention. Invention means creating new things or ideas that not exist before, that help the world to progress. By example, Elon Musk has invented Starship. Thank you. Have a great
Thank you,
day.
Ayansh. Parents, can we clap and cheer them up? They have put in so much efforts to prepare. Thank you. Next up we have Miss Vani Murarka from class Senior KGA depicting the word canvas.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vani Murarka from Senior KGA. My vocabulary word is canvas. Canvas's meaning is a strong cloth on which we can make paintings. We use it in sentences such as the painting looks beautiful on the canvas. Thank you. Have a blissful day.
Thank you so much, Vani. That was wonderful. Next up we have Miss Ayana Shah from the class Senior KGB with the word acronyms.
Stand here, stay. Look at front, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayana from Senior KGB. My vocabulary is acronyms. An acronyms formed by taking the first letter of the word and combining them to make a new word. For example, NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ayana. That was amazing. Dear pre-primary children, nursery and senior KGD, can you all wave at me? Can you all look at me? Can you all look at here? Can we maintain little bit discipline? Our friends are performing here for us, no? So let us hear them, how beautifully they are performing. Yes or no? Yes. Next up we have Master Garvit Jain from class Senior KGB depicting the word cinematic.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Garvit Jain from Senior KGB. My vocabulary is cinematic. Cinematic means something look like a movie or reminds you of one. It could be colorful, exciting, or full of action, just like your favorite films. Imagine you are watching a big, beautiful sunset. It feels cinematic because it is so dramatic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Garvit. That was wonderful. Dear parents, can we clap and cheer them up? Thank you so much. Next up we have Miss Shrestha Rathi from class Senior KGB with the word desert.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shrestha Rathi from Senior KGB. My vocabulary is desserts. Dessert is a sweet treat we eat after a meal. It can be cake, ice creams, pudding, and cookies that make us smile. People love desserts because they are delicious. Eating dessert is a yummy way to entertain. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shrestha. That was amazing. Next up we have Miss Naira Domadia from the class Senior KGC with the word ocean.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Naira Dumriya from Senior KGC. My vocabulary word is ocean. It means a large body of salt water that covers most of the earth's surface. We use it in sentence. The ocean is home to many amazing sea creatures. Thank you everyone. Have a lovely day ahead.
Thank you so much, Naira. Next up, we have Master Shaurya Sihotia from class Senior KGC depicting the word luscious.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Shaurya Sihotia from Senior KGC. My vocabulary word is luscious. It means something that very pleasant to taste, smell or look at. We use it in sentence. The cake was so luscious and everyone wanted second slice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shaurya. That was wonderful. Dear parents, can we clap and cheer them up? That was amazing. Next up, we have Master Kenny Chantbar from class Senior KGC with the word fragile.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kenny Chagba from Senior KGC. My vocabulary word is fragile. It means easily broken. Or damage. We use in a sentence as handle the glass carefully because it's fragile. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kenny. You tried very nicely. Next up, we have Miss Arya Bhatt from class Senior KGD with her cosmetics.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arya Bhatt from class Senior KGD. My word is cosmetic. It means beauty products such as lipstick, eyeliners, blush. People apply them on their face, on body to improve their appearance. We can use it in a sentence as lipstick is my favorite cosmetic. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arya. Next up, we have Master Chen Gupta from class Senior KGD with the vocabulary jovial.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chan Gupta from Senior KGD. The word jovial means cheerful or jolly. We can use it in a sentence as I am jovial mood today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chen. Dear pre-primary teachers, I request you to take the lead and please maintain discipline among the children. Thank you so much. Next up we have Miss Shuli Ghosh from class Senior KGD depicting the word flamboyant.
Good morning everyone. My name is Julie Ghosh from Senior KGD. My vocab word is flamboyant, tending to attract attention because of my confidence and stylishness. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shuli. That was wonderful. Can we hear it a little louder for her? Yes. Next up we have Miss Anvi Mehta from class Senior KGE with the vocabulary flexible.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anvi from class Senior KGE. My vocabulary word is flexible. Flexible means like bending easily. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anvi. That was amazing. Next up, we have Miss Naira Bhavani from class Senior KGE depicting the vocabulary injured.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Naira Bhavani from Senior KGE. My vocabulary word is injured. Injured means physically harm or hurt. Typically as a result of an accident, attack, or other incidents. We use it in the sentence such as he was injured in a car accident. The football player was injured during his match. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Naira.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Naira. You too have a wonderful day. Next up, we have Miss Radhya Tulsian from class Senior KGE depicting the vocabulary techno-savvy.
Hold it like this, okay?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Radhya Tulsian from Senior KGE. My vocabulary word is techno-savvy. Techno-savvy means someone who is highly skilled or knowledgeable about technology, such as modern digital tools, devices, and software. We can use it in sentences such as being techno-savvy is important in today's world as everything is becoming digital. Thank you.
That was wonderful performance. Can I hear it a little louder for Radhya? Thank you, Radhya. Next up we have Master Arham Choksi from class Senior KGF with the vocabulary unearth.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arham Choksi from Senior KGF. My vocabulary word is unearth. It's like unearth means to dig and discover. It's like an underground treasure hunt. You might find fossils or shiny gems. Unearth helps you to learn about its past and its might. So now let's grab a shovel and unearth.
Thank you so much, Arham.
1 minute.
Thank you.
Louder.
Unearth with delight. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arham. That was amazing. Next up we have Miss Miraya Agarwal from class Senior KGF depicting the vocabulary bookworm.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Miraya Agarwal from Senior KGF. My vocabulary word is bookworm. It means a person who likes to read books very much. We can use it in a sentence. As such, I am a bookworm. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Miraya. That was lovely. Next up we have Master Rivan Jain from class Senior KGF with the vocabulary flabbergasted.
Turn around, turn around, turn around. You want to hold?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Revanjan from Senior KGF. My vocabulary is flabbergasted. Flabbergasted means very shocked or surprised. You can use it when something amazing or unbelievable happens. For example, I was flabbergasted when I saw a rainbow in the sky. It's a fun word to say when you feel wowed or can't believe your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rivan. Dear parents, did you all enjoy the show put up by our young Goenkins? So can I hear a little louder for them all? Thank you so much. Now, I would request our section coordinator, Ms. Ankita Mulia, to come forward for a vote of thanks.
A very good morning to all the parents here. Thank you for making up for this event. And I'm sure I can see that you've put in a lot of efforts to dress up your children and taken time out to be here to witness their parade. We'll be sharing a QR code and the link with you for the feedback. Please take some time to fill it up. And given 10 minutes time for the children to settle in the quadrangle, they'll be settled and then you can collect your children and move to the main dining hall. We have refreshment arranged for you over there. Thank you so much. Teachers, can you please start lining up the children in the quadrangle?